Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to change the windshield wipers on a Dodge Neon, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to need to know are the size of the blades that you're going to need. On the Dodge Neon, you're looking at a 22-inch blade on the driver's side, and then on the passenger side it's a 19-inch. So that's what you're going to need, is a 19 for the passenger, 22 for the driver. You can pick these up at Walmart, automotive stores, online, anywhere, fairly inexpensive. So that's all you're going to need to complete this.
Here's a clear indication that you need to replace your wipers. You can see here this thing is just ripping apart. And you want to be careful when it gets to that point, or even before that point, because you'll see here you have these little support pieces that hold the blade in place. And as they start to rub in, and I don't know if you can see here, but you'll see there's just some slight scarring now on the windshield because these wipers went that far. Now luckily this didn't really damage the glass, just some slight scratching on the surface, and we'll remove that at another time. That'll be for another video. I'll show you how to remove that, but you definitely don't want it to get that far gone as I unfortunately did here. But that's pretty much it there. Another indication, if you're driving and it's really just smearing the glass, that's another indication that it's time to replace those wipers.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the old blade. So we're going to go ahead and lift up the arms like that. And then as you rotate this here, which is pretty much common with any windshield wiper for the most part, there's a little clip that we're going to release so we can slide that off. I'll get a close-up of that for you.
Here we go. If you turn it this way, you have this little piece here that holds it on. And if we come around on this side here, get a close-up. There's a close-up there where you can see the tab. That's what we're going to be pushing. You're just going to push that towards the arm itself, and then that will release it from the clip. Push that down.
And then at the same time we're going to push the blade this way so the arm comes this way and the blade will then slide like this. Sliding right off. Pull that down and around. There you go. Comes right off. Now we're ready to put the new one on.
For putting the new one on, you're going to pretty much slide the arm in through that opening, turning the clip, as you can see here, to fit right up in there. And then we're just going to slide it right up until it locks in place. Slide it up. You'll hear a clip. There we go. We're good. So now you can just go ahead and drop that back down.
I'm going to do the same thing on the passenger side. Go ahead and turn that. Push in the tab so we can slide that down. You can see this thing falling apart. Let's get the new one in. Slide it in. Put that in. There we go. All done. Let's go ahead and try them out and make sure everything looks good. Alright, well there you can see it. The blades are working great, clearing the window nice and smooth, no scratching or smearing, anything like that. That pretty much wraps up this video on how to change out the windshield wipers on a Dodge Neon, and this would be the same for whether it's a SE, a SXT, SRT, SRT4, all of those are all the same. I hope this video helped you out. I hope that it was able to help you out with any projects you're working on or any questions you may have had. Please send me any questions, comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.